I don't care what security say, it's only 6 inches long. Hell, I know that I can't carry it on, that's alright. I just mail it to myself or hide it in the airport behind a shelf. Or get me a new one when I land. Hopefully I find that Barlow brand, 'cause I always carry a blade. And I got my first one from a guy named Jack. He handed it to me behind my mama's back. I was only 7. I thought I went to heaven, and I got a butterfly knife when I was 11. Now always carry a Tennessee tickler, a shank or a shiv, Arkansas toothpick, my little friend, big sticker, switchblade, a pocket knife is my fave. I always carry a blade. With a Tennessee tickler, a shank or a shiv, Arkansas toothpick, my little friend, big sticker, switchblade, you know the pocket knife, it is my fave. I always carry a blade. Daddy taught me how to keep an edge, now I keep a spit stone next to my bed. I found one with a clip, and now it's attached to my hip, 'cause I always carry a Tennessee tickler, a shank or a shiv, Arkansas toothpick, my little friend, big sticker, switchblade, a pocket knife is my fave. I always carry a Tennessee tickler, a shank or a shiv, Arkansas toothpick, my little friend, big sticker, switchblade, the pocket knife is my favorite. I always carry a blade.